Hi, I'm Jenn Harper, the founder at Cheekbone Beauty Cosmetics, and this is what's in my kit. My favorite mascara is by Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara. It never makes my eyes itchy. Of course, Cheekbone Beauty Sweetgrass Lip Gloss because it is loaded with sunflower seed oil and keeps my lips glossy and moisturized all day long. Next, my favorite is the Naked Swab. It is sustainable, eco-friendly, washable. You can use this up to 600 times and it's perfect to clean up that eyeliner. Yes, this cult fave, the Glossier Future Dew is epic on no makeup days. Your skin will glow all day long. And before bed, every single night, or when I'm feeling a little dry, I love the Make This Universe Custom Facial Oil. And that's what's in my kit.